Hello, my dear kids. I'm your English teacher Rakesh Suthar from Ambuja Public School. I welcome you all on APS e-learning channel. Today I'm here with one more lesson, that is from the supplementary reader of class 8th, It So Happened. The title of the lesson is Princess September. This beautiful story is composed by Somerset Maugham. Let's begin this story with the introduction of the poet. Introduction of the writer. William Somerset Maugham was born on 25th January 1874. He was born in Paris. He died in 1965 on December 16. He was an English novelist, playwright, and short story writer whose work is characterized by a clear, unadorned style, cosmopolitan settings, and a shrewd understanding of human nature. Let's talk about the theme of this story. The theme of the story is confusion, identity, jealousy, resentment, freedom, trust, control, and innocence. The leading characters of this story are the royal couple, Princess September and 8 other sisters, and a singing bird. Let's begin this story with the summary of this story. A king and his daughters. This is a story about freedom, beauty, jealousy, and faith. The story has a king who had an interesting way of naming his daughters. As the number of daughters would increase, he would change all of their names to form a set pattern. For example, all of them were named like the days of week when they were 7. So, when they were 7, they were named on the names of the week, days of week. But later on, when they were 9, so they were named after the names of months. In that way, Princess September was the 9th daughter and she was the youngest. So she was named as September. Princess September. The last daughter was his 9th, and so he named her September according to the month of the year. All her daughters were given their names accordingly as months of the calendar. However, this seeded some animosity among the princesses who did not enjoy the constant changing of their names and held a grudge against Princess September in particular. Then, on the occasion of his birthday, the king gifted all his daughters a singing parrot. The girls were delighted as the parrot sang praises to the king, etc., for them all day long. But September's parrot died soon, and she became sad and morose. She stopped enjoying anything and turned pale. Other princesses did not try to console her. A new visitor. One day, Princess September had a new visitor in shape of a bird. The bird started singing melodious songs to her. September fell in love with the bird and showed it to her parents and siblings with pride and happiness. This made the other princesses envious of September. Envious means jealous. Then one day the bird did not return. Princess September got worried, thinking it might have been in a mishap. Her sisters fueled her fear by talking about animals that eat birds. They advised her to encase the bird. Princess September obliged, and when the bird eventually returned and told her that it had gone to its father in law, she put it inside her golden cage. The bird protested a lot, and but Princess told it that that cage is a safer place for it because it might become a prey of for the predators. Encased bird. The bird felt betrayed and refused singing. The next day, Princess found the bird weak and lifeless in her cage. She understood that the bird had to sing to live, and she could sing only when it was uncaged. Therefore, on the appeals of the bird, she opened the cage and set it free. The bird thanked her and promised to visit her often and sing for her. Soon the bird started visiting regularly and they enjoyed a loving bond. The princess opened her window and waited for the bird to return every day. The sun brought the beauty out of her, and September grew into a beautiful young woman over the years. Other princesses remained behind closed rooms and did not grow into beautiful maidens. Eventually, they were married to simple and salaried men. Princess September, however, became the queen after marrying a young king because of her beauty. She finally had a dream wedding and lived happily ever after. So, here after this summary, I would like to show you the text. This is the text, Princess September. This text will be helpful to you in case you are not having a textbook. You can pause the video anytime and can read the text. This you can see in this picture. This picture is about the royal family. On the right hand side there is the royal couple, the king and the queen, and rest all you can see are princesses, and the girl in pink is Princess September, who was the youngest. Somerset Maugham composed this story in very easy to understanding writing style. The story is so interesting that it arouses excitement and interest while we are going through the text. Here you can see the couple and Princess September with the new visitor, that new singing bird. When Princess September was having that new singing bird, all other princesses were jealous of her because their bird, their parrots, it spoke only about 2 or 3 sentences that was in praise of the king, which the king himself did not like much because his courtiers also did the same thing. But the singing bird of Princess September, it sang beautiful songs for everyone, for every princess, for the royal king and the queen. So everybody was impressed by the singing bird. But the other sisters, siblings of Princess September, were jealous of that singing bird. So they viewed a conspiracy so that they can get rid of the singing bird. They advised Princess September that they are going to buy a new parrot, green and yellow parrot for her, because she was not having a pet like them. Okay, so in that way she was convinced by other sisters that she must encase the bird, and which she finally did. But what was the result? She came to know that the singing bird cannot sing in the cage, and until and unless it is free, it cannot sing. So finally, she put her happiness, she put the happiness of the bird over to her happiness, and she decided to set the bird free. The bird promised to come and tell her about the new lands, new places which he visited. So this was the text. So after the text, I am having glossary for you people, new terminology. These are some words that will be difficult for you. So I have kept those words and their meaning in these two slides. Kindly go through the lesson, read it carefully. You will find it very interesting. Still, if you have any doubt, any query, kindly do ask me in our online Zoom class, or you can send your messages on my number. With this, I come to the end of the video. I would like to thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.